Welcome back to our kitchen. We're gonna do a vegan, I call it whatever bread because you use it for garlic bread, pita bread, whatever bread. Pita bread, like for gyros. Yeah, use it like naan. You can put garlic butter on it, you can put olive oil on it, you can put nothing on it.
Peanut butter jelly.
Flour, salt, olive oil, yeast, that's it. Cheap, less than 10 cents. It'll take us about an hour to do just to proof it. You're gonna see when people say they don't have nothing to eat, there's something in there if you got flour and yeast. Definitely buy yeast because that's cheap and it lasts forever. And we're gonna make some toum as well because that also goes on anything. Call it whatever sauce because we're putting this on everything. Putting this on God, we're putting this on your mother. Chicken maison, Zankou chicken, in your honor. So right now we're just gonna do the hot water for the yeast because that has to sit for about 15 minutes to let it get activated. I used to work for the school district and the easiest way to do the water, because you can't have it too hot because it'll kill the yeast, as hot as the water will come from your normal kitchen sink is fine. So demonstrate. Neil, demonstrate. So you see it now, and you'll see it in about 15 minutes. This is an old school recipe that we've been doing in my family for years, at least 2 weeks. While that's working, this is 2 cups white flour. We're gonna say that other cup to kind of see if it's too sticky, and because you don't want to put too much flour. It seems complicated, but it's really easy. You'll see. It's easier to just show you than talk about it. The salt and the olive oil. We're just kind of mixing it together. You're gonna see how easy this is. So easy. I can do it. You can do it. We all can do it. So that's it. We're gonna wait 15 minutes for the yeast. We're gonna knead it, and then we're gonna make the toum. Hopefully. We'll see if it's successful. You never know. So it's been about 15 minutes. We shall show you the activation of the yeast. Wow, that's a little different, huh? Gotta love the yeast. I highly suggest getting some gloves, biodegradable. You say disposable. You should get biodegradable. The glove. All we're doing is adding a cup of water and the yeast. So here we go. So we're gonna add a little bit of flour at a time. See how wet it is. You don't want to overdo it. Less is more. And just dust your board. We're getting old school here, and we get our workout in. Everyone's got their technique. I just like to go keep folding it in. I usually do it like 10 minutes. See? You can see it sticking. Just add it little by little. I'm just gonna end it there. I think we're good. We've developed a nice relationship. See? And now we're just gonna rub a little olive oil on it just so it don't dry out, and then we're gonna let it. It is hot. What I like about dough, get like familiar with what you're cooking. You touch it, every nook and cranny. And then we're gonna cover it, let it go for an hour. In the meantime, we're gonna make the toum, hopefully successfully. So for the toum, it's 2 heads of garlic, 3 cups of a neutral oil, juice of 1 lemon, some salt. That's it. The hard part is the emulsification, but we'll see what happens. You thought peeling garlic was tedious before. Well, this is going to be even more tedious because we're going to take out the germ, because supposedly it tastes a lot cleaner. This is how we do it. So cut that stupid root off. Root off. The germ I'm talking about, that thing right there. That's what you don't want. That's the thing that turns into green. We're gonna do that for all these cloves of garlic. Take the germ out, or don't. We're gonna do it so it tastes better. There you go. All right, well that was a tedious pain in the ass, but it's all over. All of the germs have been removed from the garlic. It's tedious, it's sticky, and it's messy. We're just gonna add juice of 1 lemon.
I thought 1 lemon.
I said 2. Look at it, and it's still got seeds in there. We're gonna have to take that shit out. So see how small those lemons are? That's all the juice we got added to. That's why I used to. And we're doing this through a food processor because supposedly this is the easiest way, but this is my first time doing it this way. Seems a lot easier. This one's supposed to be automatic because there's a little hole in there. So it drains it Like we're gonna put a quarter cup at a time, interspersed with the lemon juice. We're gonna do the garlic first with the salt, grind it up, put a little bit of lemon juice, grind it up, oil, quarter cup at a time. We'll see how it goes. And you wanna use every little piece because it took so fucking long. Calm down, people. We're not having enough fun right now. We gotta get fun. It's not hot enough. I like to just do it. That, and then we're gonna put just a touch. This is like 3/4 of a teaspoon. Emulsification there. So we screwed up. Mainly her. She filmed it all wrong and then it didn't emulsify correctly. Look at it. It's supposed to be emulsified. It's supposed to be a paste, like mayonnaise, and that's water. I'm never successful with this, but if anything, we'll save it with some egg whites, which I didn't want to do. I wanted to keep this vegan. 2 of these. Okay? You gotta do what you gotta do. Sorry, vegans. I tried. Breakfast. Who can I blame besides me, people? I don't know anything about emulsification. Can't possibly be me.
This 40-minute recipe, hour and a half.
See how easy it is? Never trust anything called Cuisinart. It's made in China now. They have it in for us. Let's try this, because I think this is cursed. Immersion to the rescue. That's Mueller. German engineering. At least it's quieter. I think she poured too much something in there. I think we salvaged it, people. That is Toum. Maybe it's not perfect, but we got there.
I don't want it.
That's good.
Like a spice.
Chicken is on. There it goes. Look how much bigger it got. Something went right. Saved it, luckily. So we're just gonna
Season.
We're not seasoning our cutting board. We're flouring it. I'm gonna punch this down and release my frustration for the Toum. Happy now? No. Get the kamal going. It might still stick, so make sure you rub down your rolling pin or whatever you're using. And you want to get it to about 1/4 of an inch.
You want to know why dough's another word for money? Because everyone needs it.
And there you have it, people. That joke took her 3 hours of research, so I hope it was funny. I hope you could hear it.
What did the flour tell the loaf? I saw you yesterday.
Here we go with the dough. As long as I'm laughing. There you go. And there is no oil on this. It's dry, but this kamal is what, 100 plus years old. It's got all that richness in it. Richness from the poor people. It'll start to bubble. And then we shall drizzle with some good old olive oil. California. Olive Ranch. Destination series. Here's the drizzle.
I like droplets.
Rip it and dip it. That's good shit. Try it with the Toum. Good. That's it. There you have it. Whatever bread, pita, whatever you want to call it. Thank you. Good night. Good luck. Have fun.